video, what I'm going to do is cover a 3-step step ladder from the company. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but it starts with a P. But looking over the stepladder, I'm just wanting to tell you, I've used this thing off and on already several times, whether it's window cleaning, cleaning off ceiling fans, changing light bulbs or something like that around the house. This thing has been absolutely amazing for what it is and the price. You can't beat something like this. The total load bearing on this thing is 330 pounds. And just to use it, let me show you. Look how simple that is. That's all one-handed. It stays down low, and when it's completely folded up, it's probably less than 2 inches wide looking down through there like that. And then when you open it up, check out how easy. This is all one-handed. Just like that. So from, as far as like the height on this thing, from the height from here to here is a little over 33 inches, but your actual height here is 26 inches. So you get 26 inches of height. So the plates right here are almost 8 inches wide by 12 inches wide when you look at it right here. So it's a very wide plate. Let me just kind of like show you, stepping up on it right here. This thing is absolutely amazing. I really like this step ladder. I have several other step ladders, but what I like about this one the most is it's very light. So it's a super light, and then when it folds down, it's really small. It can go up under a couch. You know, it stays stored, and when you need it, you just grab it and you can open it in 3 seconds. Highly recommend this ladder for anyone that's just needing a little step ladder for like around the house, or loading things on top of a van or RV or something where you need something that doesn't take up a lot of room. That's who I recommend this for. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the 3-step stool ladder. See you all in the next video.